guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with my Stitch Fix unboxing for March 2019, and if you guys want to see what my stylist Caitlin picked for me this month, then keep on watching. Before we jump into the Stitch Fix, I think it's pretty evident that I have not been posting a lot of content recently, and there's a certain reason why that's been the case. Let's just go ahead and say that February has been a crazy month. As you guys will know, that me and Ryan traveled to Hungary and the Czech Republic, and I still have to edit those videos, and I'm pretty sure by the time that this video gets up, hopefully those videos will be up. The trip was good, but I feel like for all things considered with February, it just really came and went super quick, and truthfully, like, the content just didn't get posted. I don't think it's going to get posted for February, just kind of taking a little bit of a hiatus and taking time for myself and reflecting on, you know, finding that motivation. But I think that's a story time for something totally different. Maybe I'll talk about, maybe I won't. It just really depends on how things are going to play out. But anyway, that's not why you guys are here. You guys are here to see this month's Stitch Fix. So for March, I didn't make any recommendations to Caitlin just because February was a really short month. It was really chaotic, and I really didn't have time to like sit and think about it, especially when I was jet setting and traveling the world. Caitlin decided to take it upon herself to kind of fill in my closet, which I can always count on my girl to do because she just seems to know what I'm missing, like without even having ever seen my closet. She just can read my mind, and it's fantastic. A lot of these pieces are going to be wardrobe fillers, so things that I can wear to work, date night, whatever it might be. Again, no specific requests, and I kind of wish I took the time to request something because March is my birthday month, and I turned 26 this month, which is, you know, her nearing 30, and that's, I think, another part in the reason of why, you know, February and the whole 2019, I know I had made a point of saying that, like, oh, I want to make more content and I want to be, you know, more happy about making content, and 2019 has already kicked my ass, but that's for a different time and a different story time and a different video. My 21st overall Stitch Fix, you guys know how this works so far, and for everything inside this month's box totaled to $218, but with a buy all discount of 25% off and the purchase styling credit fee. One of these days I will learn how to say it correctly. Everything came to $143.50. So with everything that's inside the box, I think it's a pretty good price point, pretty comparable to other fixes that I've had. I don't think we'll get any cheaper than what we did last month. I think it was last month. I really, like I said, my brain has been all over the place, and it is something that I do eventually want to talk about. I think once everything kind of settles. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump over to the try on. This is the Fun to Fun Walden split neck blouse. I'm in a size large, and this retails for $38. Love the color of it because I think for me, I pull blues off really well, and I love, the best way I can describe it is New York Rangers blue, so already a major fan of that. I like the cut of it too because it is a little bit more of that stretchier material, so it doesn't feel too constricting as a blouse, and I think it is a pretty cute cut in terms of how it fits. It flaunts things nicely without being too provocative. And I think too, it fits good. I am a big fan of this shirt. I think for the price point, the color, everything about it, it is something that I like. I think it's something that, a color of the past, I probably didn't love the cut or the fit of it, but this is something I am really comfortable in, do like it, and no complaints. So it's been a minute since I have received something from a Stitch Fix that doesn't fit. So instead of trying to force this thing over my chest and trying to put it on to have it rip, we're going to go ahead and talk about this piece here. So this is the Britton Frenkel Scallop neckline blouse. This is in a size large, and this retails for $36. So immediately, I'm obsessed with the color, and we know that I'm already a huge fan of Britton. And I love the scallop detailing. I think it's really cute. I think it's something that I would totally, 100% would wear. However, the size does not fit. It is more of a blouse material, so that material is a little funny. It doesn't stretch well. It doesn't fit over my arms. It doesn't fit over my chest. And yeah, I think it is something that is super cute. If available in another size larger, I'm going to totally buy it because I could probably get it over me, but I would not be able to get it off. and if I wore it and if I sneezed, I would have definitely hulked my way through the shirt. So it's been a minute since we've had a moment like this on Stitch Fix, but I think it is because of the material and the cut of it. I think it is super cute though. I'm definitely going to try to return it, and hopefully this time we can return it with no problems, and it is available in a size up or maybe even 2 sizes up, so it is a little bit more billowy, but unfortunately this isn't happening today. This is the Andrew Marc Performance Fiah Twist Back Something Blouse in a size large, and this retails for $44. I really like this one too, just because it is a little bit more of that soft cotton. Not necessarily brushed cotton, but it is softer. It is something that I could see wearing with jeans, running errands, you know, doing your weekend girl things, or even maybe as much as wearing it to the office as a little bit more of a casual Friday. I am a pretty big fan of this. Stripes are sometimes one of those really weird pieces, like for somebody who has a little bit more of a wider hip, you try to avoid them, but I really like this one, and especially because I love the back detailing of it. I think it is something that I would get a lot of wear out of, and it's comfortable, cute, different, and Caitlin knocks it out of the park again. So we currently have a 2 for here, so we'll start away from the top and work our way to the bottom. Starting off here, we have the Papermoon Rhina mixed material lace detailed blouse. I'm in a size large, and this retails for $42. And then we also have here the Tinsel Camel Solid Skinny Pants. I'm in a size 14, and these retail for $58. Caitlin specifically picked this top for me because my birthday is in the month of March, and she thought that this would be a cute top to wear like if I go out for drinks with friends, or if I go to like a nice dinner or something, and I think she's totally right. I like the detail of it because it takes just a traditional black blouse but makes it fun with the sleeves. Sleeve work is something that I'm usually not a big fan of just because it doesn't make a difference to me, but this is a top that is really cute. The material on the front side of it is very similar to that Fun to Fun top that we've reviewed earlier, and then the back is a little bit more of like a cottony, so it's very comfortable in every regard. I wear it on my birthday, maybe. I think for price point, it is cute for sure. I didn't think I was going to love it on, but with it on and trying it and seeing it, I really am a fan. I have tested Tinsel pants in the past, if you guys will remember in a previous fix. I was a big fan of them, and I'm even a bigger fan of these because they are stupid comfortable. They are stupid comfortable. The color, Caitlin thought she was going to try to pull me out of my comfort zone just a little bit. Ironically enough, I used to be a person who would wear different colored skinny jeans like every day. So this is a comfort for me. I love this red color because it's not quite time to go from spring to summer. It is a little bit more of that wintry into spring mix. I think the cut of them is really cute. They make the booty look pretty good, and I think just overall they are a great pant. They fit super comfortably. They are pretty high-waisted, so they're gonna look good, you know, with that little bit of an ankle show off. So a pair of flats, wedges, something along that line. I really like them. I have a pair of the Old Navy pixie pants that are in more of a brighter red. This is something that's a little bit more muted, something that isn't as harsh in your face, look at me red, which is why I kind of like them. And I think with the two paired together, it is something that looks totally office chic. So that was everything that was inside my Stitch Fix this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos, and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Stitch Fixes. This month, I really liked how Caitlin kind of picked those pieces that maybe would make me step out of my comfort zone and things that I'm already comfortable with. I really love the tops in here just because we are starting to swing into that spring and summer, even though you wouldn't be able to tell it by outside because there is literally 6 feet of snow. Central New York and New York in general and the East Coast has been getting slammed with winter weather, and it's been terrible because we were in Europe and it was like 50s and sunny and perfect, and then I come home literally to a blizzard on that Monday. But I'm not complaining. I will be sure to do a full blog review of all the pieces inside, and you can find that over at the website at sarahlock.com, 2hs2ks. I'll be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. I want to go ahead and take the time to apologize about the lack of content. I know you guys are really excited for that travel with me, and I had so many things on the burner before I even left, and I just, knowing in my heart it's not going to get done because that motivation and mentality isn't there, and I would much rather give you content that I'm excited about, that I want to talk about, that I'm full-fledged, like it's what I want to do. Right now I can't give you that. I want you guys to be a little bit patient with me because my headspace has been really bad lately, and I don't want to portray myself as being this like happy-go-lucky person, which I am, but I don't want it to be like a facade. I don't want it to be like not my genuine self. So filming the Stitch Fix, it's kind of a transition period where you guys might see some changes. I don't want to lie to you guys, and this will be I think when the time is right, I will do a story time about this, because I haven't done a story time ever. Maybe it'll be like a get ready with me. I haven't really quite figured that part out yet, but I just want to say thank you for all of your support, and it's right now is not a good time for me. I'm really in my own headspace, so I just want you guys to be patient. If I'm not posting as much, don't think it's because I'm giving up on the YouTube channel. It's just there's a lot of things going on. I just really need to be like within myself right now. So apologizing for all the lack of content in February. I promise those videos will get up soon from our trip to Prague and Budapest. And yeah, I'm sure by the time that this video gets up, that will have been discussed. But yeah, so if the next couple months, the next few weeks, months, whatever it might be, if you don't see a lot of content from me, just don't think that I've fallen off the face of the earth. I'm okay. It's just right now I just need to focus on me and reground myself and regroup myself. And I said 2019 was going to be a year of refocusing attention and getting back to that accountability, and truthfully I haven't, and I just need to take time to myself to, like I said, regroup and refocus. So thank you for all of your support. Thank you for everything along the way, and thank you for being patient with me in the future. I truly appreciate it. You guys don't realize how much I, really care about this channel, and I care about my content. And if my brain and my heart and my soul isn't 100 in it, I don't want to put it out there. And the last couple months I've noticed that has been the case, and without getting emotional on camera, I just need to take some time to myself to regroup, reflect, and so forth. And especially with 26 coming up, because like we're beyond the quarter life crisis and now we're nearing our 30s, and it's very scary. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Take care. Love you always. And until next time, whenever that might be, we'll see you guys later. Bye.